wasn't happy with my job anymore. I knew I could never be there long enough that a pension would matter. And so I took the opportunity. Started drawing this all up. The idea of using 2 trolleys to move a car horizontally had never been patented. There was nothing else was like this. So we got a patent on it. And it's been very good. So what we're doing here is we're mounting the receiver for the wireless winch. There's a 1x3 tube, vertical tube in that front wall that we've already drilled, put a 1-inch grommet in it, and run our wiring down through the 1x3 tube in the wall. We're drilling the holes now that are going to mount the actual receiver unit. What happens when you have a car that's, let's say it's 40, 50 years old. It's never had any body work done to it, never been painted, all original. And then you damage it in a trailer. And that's the big thing, that's the non-tangible. Because all of a sudden your $500,000 car might be a $100,000 car with only $10,000 worth of damage. Hook that on the end of the rail. Okay. So if you put the fixture flush with the end of the rail like you normally do for the little screw hole, it'll be perfect. We're trying to take all the risk out of tearing your car up during transport. So that's why our product has taken off.